Today I want us to go through this part 3 part of this or today's series. Talk about Alkane Chemistry, like the chemistry of Alkane. Of course, we need to understand some certain things about the Alkane. Alkane is otherwise known as paraffin. Don't forget paraffin. Reason being that it shows little or no affinity to an organic reagent. So that's why we call it paraffin. So not just that, we need to know that Alkane is the only saturated hydrocarbon. Alkane is the only saturated hydrocarbon. Only saturated hydrocarbon. Of course, it has CnH2n plus 2 as its general molecular formula. So that is general molecular formula of Alkane. Don't forget, Alkane is tetrahedral in shape. Tetrahedral in shape. And it has a bond angle of 109 degrees 28 minutes, which when you can convert minutes to degree by dividing by 60, so which is the same thing as 109.5 degrees. That is the bond angle of an alkane. Of course, you need to also know that an alkane that lost one hydrogen atom is called alkyl, and this one have the general molecular formula of CnH2n plus 1. That is a question can come. As compared to its parent hydrocarbon, alkyl radical is dash. Always tell them it is one hydrogen less than that of what? Alkane. That is just how it goes. So I want you to give you some basic things that I need to know about alkane before we go to reaction, the formation, the everything. I'm going to unveil it. So you just need to stay grilled and keep following. So just like I said, another thing you need to know is that alkane undergo substitutional reaction as its most peculiar reaction. Substitutional. Though you undergo substitutional and combustional reaction. Combustion reaction. But the most peculiar reaction that can undergo is substitution. Why? Because it is already saturated, so it doesn't need to undergo addition reaction. Addition reaction is for species that have the presence of either double bond or triple bond, that is presence of unsaturation in them. Please take note of all this. In my subsequent video, I will tell you one or two about this reaction. Thanks for watching. Follow for more. See you in my next video. Bye.